For joining us, I'm Dan Schaefer. Naja Sherman has the night off. Tonight, we're bringing you team coverage across North Alabama. We'll go over how the extended Safer at Home order is expected to help the nearly overwhelmed hospital system. But first, let's start with the vaccination frustrations in the state. Governor Ivey says they don't have enough vaccines, and it's still unclear when they'll get more. WAAY 31's Breken has the latest on the vaccination efforts and why less than half of the doses in the state have been administered.
Dr. Scott Harris with the Alabama Department of Public Health said there are over 500 hospitals, pharmacies, and health departments that are on their provider list to give the vaccine out. But the issue is only half of them have actually gotten the vaccine to give to people. Now, Harris said in that press conference, as of Wednesday night, the state has given out a little over 202,000 vaccines to frontline workers and now people over the age of 75. Harris said he can understand why people are frustrated seeing other states have these long vaccination lines, but the state simply doesn't have enough primary and secondary doses to do those kinds of clinics.
But many of those sites have had their own problems as well, with people waiting in very long lines and traveling from hours away and sometimes sleeping in their cars or getting turned away when the vaccine runs out, and then having to do it all again when a second dose is due a couple of weeks later.
Now, the state has given out about 40% of its vaccination doses. Now, Harris explained the reason why they've only given out about 40% comes down to a couple of factors. One of the biggest ones being that those doses are, some of them are, already spoken for with the second doses for people. Live in the Shoals, Breken, WAAY 31 News.